We all love summer, but the heat and weeds can really mess with your lawn's beauty. Keeping it healthy is easier than you think. Follow along as we show you quick ways to keep your grass green and gorgeous. Here's how. Weeds flourish in the sunshine, so grab a garden weeder and make weeding them out a part of your daily routine. You can make the job go even quicker by switching to a lawnmower. Mowing high crowds out the weeds and the crabgrass without ever having to use any harsh chemicals. Let's talk rainwater. Loaded with nutrients, it's one of the best things to happen to your lawn. Rain barrels are cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and look great in your yard. The unpurified water is ideal for your lawn and flower beds. If you prefer the traditional route, a garden hose always gets the job done. If using a sprinkler, choosing the right style for the size and shape of your yard is essential for proper watering. Putting down grass seeds? Shade them from the blazing summer heat and keep them moist with burlap. Simply cover and remove once seeds have germinated. Lawns get hungry and need to be nourished. Lawn food helps your grass grow terrifically thick and healthy. And remember, water's a fertilizer's best friend, so a 4-zone timer will really come in handy. Each zone works like a separate timer, so you can water whatever you want, when you want. You've done the hard work. Now you can enjoy your beautiful lawn all summer long. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit homehardware.ca.